Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a signature on the Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and then scroll down to settings. At the bottom of the page, scroll down to compose and reply, and here you have the signature settings option, which is the second category. Tap on it and click on mobile signature on the right side of the screen, and then you should type your signature into this box and your signature will be added to your message when you send it. So type it in and click on done at the top of the screen. So whenever you compose an email, it will appear at the end of it as your signature. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.